Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is James, and if you're new around here, hit that subscribe button below and turn on them post notifications. And in this video I'm going to be showing you my new house, and the new house for the Fiesta ST200. It has a new home, everybody. I'm going to showcase that to you today. So I'm going to give you a little tour, and then I'm going to show you where the ST200 is being looked after, shall we say. So yeah, basically we're just in the hallway now. We've recently moved, so yeah. It's weird like having your own place. So yeah, this is our little toilet. Let me just turn the light on here. So this is one of our little toilets in here. It's just like, as you would think, bog standard. I need to replace the toilet roll in there though, but turn it off. And then we'll go down the hallway. So you've got the hallway here as well. And then in here, you have where the internet work, like the internet boxes and stuff like that. Shoes, all that sort of nice things. And then you've got the Hoover, you've got that Dyson like handheld Hoover. And this is like one of the favourite places of mine in the house. It's the living room. And I didn't choose much of this sort of stuff. This was like Amanda's sort of like ideas. I chose the sideboard though, that is my idea. And I did have some say in the sofas. We've got a 2-seater, a 3-seater, we've got this like table down here. There's my little bottle. And then yeah, sorry for the mess as well. This is also my chair, by the way. I chose this. I had to have this. I wanted it. But yeah, sorry for the mess. It's like I said, we're still recently moved in, so we've still got stuff like everywhere. But yeah, we haven't gone for Sky here. We just went for the BT ultra fast Wi-Fi. We're getting 330 megabits per second, which is insane. Got the Philips Hue light bulbs around there, or not light bulbs, like bridge thing. Sony TV, Apple TV. So yeah, we literally use Apple TV to stream everything. Got some coats and stuff down there in my suitcase on the way back from work. Camera bag, laptop bag. But let's head into the kitchen. Most important place of the house, because that is where my dinner is cooked. So you got a washing bag there, that's going in the washing machine, which is in here. You got this little utility room full of like stuff, just like cereals, and then you got our washing machine, which actually came with the house, which is pretty cool. So I close that. And then we have a random chair in the middle. Reason we have a random chair here is because it has a deformity, which I wasn't pleased about. Amanda was like, oh, I can't be bothered to like deal with it. But I was like, nah, you've paid for that. It's deformed here, it looks weird. So yeah, send it back. But this is our kitchen. You know, you've got the cooker there, you've got some other, is that cooker? Yeah, that is a cooker. No, oven. It's me being silly. You got the hob, you got the hob thingy. I can't remember the name for it now off the top of my head. And you got the boiler and some other stuff in there, toasters, and then yeah, we got given loads of free stuff from the Barrett home to we got the house from. We've got a dishwasher in there. Yeah, got that little thing. Fridge, just the standard stuff you find in the kitchen. It's like, yeah, our fridge is like absolutely bare. There's nothing in there. And this little kettle. You have this table, which is cool because it actually extends to make a bigger table. My fish tank is going to go over here once we've like completely moved in. And you got my Mac and everything there. So yeah, and then you got the Harman Kardon speaker, and then a load of my computer box stuff down there. But before we go out into the garden and go and see the house of the ST200, I just want to show you upstairs. So yeah, let's go and have a little walk up here. As you see, it might be getting dark, but we use the Philips Hue light bulbs, so you can tell Siri to go and do it. So, right, this is the second bedroom. This is a 4-bed house. This is the second bedroom, and it's absolutely humongous, honestly. Please excuse all the clothes. These are literally all the clothes that I brought over. I still need to bring over some more as well. It's pretty embarrassing. I've got absolutely loads. Most of this was like bought in America when it was really cheap. You get a nice view of outside where they're still building stuff, but like honestly, this room is huge. So if I stand here, look, there's my feet, my little Ugg slippers. Look at that. It takes so long. Well, it doesn't take long, but it's just huge, and like to walk across the room is an effort. It's actually really big. And then you'll see the little garage down there, but I'll show you that in a minute. But let's go out of here. Got the little computer box there, and then second most important room of the house is my office, gaming room. Got some swimming shorts just sat there because that's what I chill in sometimes. got some Xbox games, a little toolbox, and then you've got the mother daddy computer there, which is sleeping right now. And yeah, just my gaming setup, which I'll probably go further into detail on another video. So yeah, but that is literally it. And then you get a nice view of the garden, which I'll show you in a sec. So if we go out of here and go into this is technically the third bedroom. That was the second bedroom you just went in. Well, third? No, this is, yeah, let's just say this is the third one. My office is a bedroom and this is a bedroom as well. Of course, Amanda had to have the biggest bed, like office. She needs it for her filming and like makeup, videoing and stuff. And then you got her iMac box, her iMac, which I advised her to get, and she did. Hasn't looked back since. And then we got this sofa bed thing, so when people come to stay, they can sleep on here. And if we want to watch a movie on the iMac, we can just like lie here, and then you get a better view of our garden out the window here. So it's quite boxed in, but I'll show you that all in a second. And now we'll go on to the penultimate room of the house, the bathroom. This literally doesn't get used. We haven't used the bath once since being here because we just used the shower. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the bathroom. We've got some toilet roll and stuff. It does need a good tidy up, but you know. Boiler room, actually, I have to skip that. Just a big fat boiler in there, as you do. But this is our bedroom, the master bedroom. So Amanda bought this bed and it is absolutely massive. She said it was going to be, she said she thought she ordered a king-sized bed, but apparently a super king bed turned up. So apparently she ordered it by accident. You've got my dressing gown on the floor and stuff, and toolboxes and stuff from where we're building the bed, and then another view outside. But yeah, this bed is massive. Now I can sleep here, and Amanda can sleep like there, and we still have loads and loads of room. Let me turn the fan off first before we go in here. So this is our ensuite, which is quite nice. Got a little shower in here and stuff. I had a shower in here this morning. That's what it's used. We had this green bow, which we still haven't taken out, which was on the toilet. And then you got the toilet, the sink, a toothbrush, electric toothbrush thing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But, let me turn this off. So, let's go downstairs and take a little look at the new home of the Fiesta ST200, which probably one of the main reasons for having this house is because of like the area it has outside. It's awesome. I'm pretty sure the door isn't locked. Let's go and have a look. Oh, it's open. Right, let's go and have a look in the garden. So this is the garden. It's well dry at the moment because it hasn't been watered, and I don't know how long it hasn't rained here for ages. We got all these plants and stuff, and it came like this, which was nice. So I was all sorted out, but this isn't what we came to see. This is what we came to see. So this is the new home of the Fiesta ST200. It's got its own little place here, but behind it, behind all the bins, there is a garage, which honestly is huge, absolutely huge. But yeah, like, let me take you around here. This is my favourite thing because it's so enclosed. Like, you've got the gates here, and then you've got the beast just sat here and on its own little area. But it's actually dirty, really, really dirty at the moment, so it needs a clean, which I could probably do in here. I tried to like jet wash it, but it didn't really do much. It needs a proper clean, so I might have to get my mate Connor to come around and do that. And yeah, but I just love it in here. There's so much room, like you can just do your own stuff. Like you keep the car hidden away as well, and then, you know, I'm tempted by a new car. I just want something with a bit more power. Like, I love this car, it's fun to drive, but like, I think if I do get a new car, I'm gonna keep this one in the garage over there and potentially store it. So hopefully it'll all be good. But yeah, like, this is the new home of the Fiesta ST200. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. There you go, but yeah, that is the new tour of the house and the new home for the Fiesta ST200. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts on the house. Like, it was a massive step in mine and Amanda's life. If you you don't know who Amanda is, she's my partner. Her YouTube link will be below, and she's linked on my featured channels list, I think, as well. So yeah, go and check her out for some makeup videos if you want to watch them. But yeah, like, it's our first house. I'm only 22, Amanda's 21, so we are very lucky to have this and feel very privileged. But we've both worked very hard, and we're going to continue to work hard to keep achieving our goals. And yeah, so we're very privileged to have the house, privileged to have my car as well, and the car has its lovely new rewarded house. And until I get rid of it, which, you know, I'm contemplating. I've only had it like a year and a little bit, so I don't know. It's going to be one of them weird ones where I've driven the new Fiesta ST, and I'm not going to lie, it's phenomenal. To drive it was so fun, so I'm very tempted, but we'll speak about that in another video, okay? So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you're new around here, make sure you subscribe and turn on my post notifications, and I'll catch up with you in the next one. So yeah, see you later. Peace.